Hello everyone! Ever wondered how fast you can build an app with AI? We're about to show you. This is your guide to leveraging the Devum's AI capabilities. To begin, let's log in to the Devum platform. We'll quickly enter our username and password, and just like that, we're on the Admin Dashboard. This is where the magic happens. This is the Admin Dashboard, our central hub. We can manage and monitor apps from here, but let's jump straight to creating our first app. When we click Add New, we see our options for building an app, either using DevBot, a template, or starting from scratch. For this video, let's select Build using DevBot and click Next. The system now asks for two things, the app name and a description of what your application will do. For today's video, we're focused on building a simple yet essential expense tracker app for managing personal finances. For the description, we'll input expense tracker application to manage my daily expenses with alerts. Despite using a prompt this simple and concise, the DevBot AI platform is robust enough to immediately and intelligently process these key details, and then expertly begin to generate the entire core application framework for us. Once the prompt is set, we simply click Continue. Then we proceed to the next page, where we need to provide a couple of key configurations. We start with the app URL. This is the address that users will type in to access the application once it's been successfully deployed. Let's set the app code to exptracker for easy reference. Next, choose your preferred theme from the options available. Once that's done, click Continue. The DevBot has analyzed our intent and is already generating the app's core structure. It intelligently suggests the schema, including entities like expenses, budget, users, and status. This alone saves us significant time. The schema is fully editable. You aren't locked in. We have full control here. You can easily add or delete fields, change field types, and even modify the entire schema type from master to reference or transactional using the settings. To help you visualize the app, the bot has even generated sample data for each entity, making the review process much easier. If you prefer not to have the sample data, you can simply disable that option here. Once you're happy with the schema, click Save. Now, hitting Publish and Continue will send the bot to the next step, where it begins generating the application pages. The DevBot is now creating all the necessary pages for our expense tracker, splitting them into two types, system pages. These are the essential CRUD pages, used to create, read, update, and delete basic records. And the business pages, which are the feature-rich pages. Now, on click of Generate All Pages, the system will start generating the pages. Let's wait for some time. Thereby, the bot analyzes feature needs and automatically generates required dashboards or unique pages tailored to each feature to provide a functional overview of the application. This process involves the bot building all the core pages, so it might take a moment or two. Please be patient while the DevBot works its magic in the background to finish generating your application. That's it. The DevBot has officially finished the intelligent generation process, creating all the necessary application pages based on our schema. Now, with a simple click on Continue, we transition immediately to the final step where our expense tracker application is completely created and prepared for the public publishing phase. Now that the app is created, let's hit the Publish App button. The system will then ask us to switch context to our brand new expense tracker app. We'll confirm that switch immediately, and just like that, we are successfully logged into and viewing our newly created functional application. Now that we're inside our newly created application, let's explore it. Click the Preview button to see the app running in real time. we can immediately begin navigating through the various functional pages that the DevBot automatically generated for our expense tracker. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, we leveraged Devum's AI feature to go from a simple idea to a fully structured, published application. Thank you.